Welcome back mga Kabayan Techers. This is your Kabayan Tech. What we're going to do today is a battery replacement for an iPhone 7.
Welcome. 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 Welcome.
Let's start. Okay, so the things that we need for today, obviously, syempre yung phone. You might notice this is a turning on phone. We have the metal tin prior. We have the ESD13 PIC, Y000, Pentalobe 40mm, and the black stick. Turn off the phone. Get the Pentalobe 40mm, and we're going to remove the security screws. Get the metal tin prior, and we're going to do that same method. We put the metal tin prior in between the edge of the screen and the edge of the enclosure. Rock it side by side, and then we push away from us. Rock it again side by side until yung metal tin prior will hold by itself. Push po yung tin metal prior natin. Use a pick to insert it doon po sa magiging opening sa side. For the top portion, what we're going to do is we're going to lift the screen. Ang gagawin po natin, we're just going to gently rock it back and forth until yung adhesive po sa taas ay matanggal na siya. Open it to the side. So para po siyang book. Remove the screen. We're going to start off with removing the battery cover using the Y000. Using the ESD13, we're going to lift the battery cover. Then the edge of the black stick, the pointed one, we remove the connector for the battery. We also remove the connector for the display by using the flat edge, and also for the home button. Remove the cover for the camera cable. Use the screwdriver 40mm. Use again the flat edge of the black stick, and then from the back of the cable you just have to twist it. If there are adhesive, we can remove that one too. We're not going to remove po yung ating adhesive. Remove are the two tabs of the battery. Pull back the tabs. There are other suggestions na pwede rin gumamit ng heating plate or blower para po mainitan po yung likod ng phone. Pero I don't suggest doing it prolong kasi po battery po yon, it might explode. Slightly pull. Either you could use your fingers or you could use an ESD13. So, yun na po ang nangyari sa kanya. Ang ginagawa ko po, the next one is instead na tatanggalin ko all the way through, ididikit ko lang siya rito, and see kung dumikit po yung adhesive niya para mas madali po siya mahila. There we go. Papansin nyo po, naputol po siya. Unusual po yung pagkaputol niya dahil hindi po siya nag all the way through. If you're going to reuse this battery and transfer it to another phone, ang gawin nyo na po, the most effective way is to heat it up. Yung likod po, para pag naglagay po tayo ng black stick dito, it's easier to lift it up. To grab a blower. Kung ang intention nyo is to reuse this battery later on, para hindi siya masira. So mapapansin nyo po, natatanggal na siya. Dahil medyo nainitan na natin yung case. Okay. And then I'm just going to pull this one. And then we could still reuse this battery. As long as wala po siyang curve. How do we put this one back? By using ito pong adhesive tape that goes together with the battery. Yung blue pong tab muna ang una natin tatanggalin. Ila-line up po natin itong black dito po sa pinaka-edge ng battery. The other side po, tatanggalin natin yung dalawang tape niya na kulay blue. Or sometimes, iisang part lang po siya. And then, we use this one to fold it. Okay. So mapapansin nyo po, yan na po siya. So now we remove the pink part. Line it up again here. So ang gagawin ko is I'm going to plug the connector, and then I'm just going to push it at the side. And that's how we replace the battery. If you're going to replace the adhesive here, ang gagamitin po natin is yung 2 or 3 piece. It's the same procedure as using it on the iPhone 6s. Hindi ko po tinanggal yung adhesive. We're going to have a separate session on the iPhone 7 when we're going to replace the screen. Put back yung ating screen connector for the home button for the display. Then yung connector po sa taas. And yan po. Na-connect na po natin. Press ko lang. Ibalik ko yung connector ng battery. And before we close it, let's turn it on. While it's turning on, pwede nyo na pong ibalik yung mga metal plates. Then we put this one back. So yung hook po ang mauuna. So i-angle nyo lang po ng konti yung inyong screen. Like this. Naka-angle po siya. Then papasok po yung hook dito sa ilalim. Itulak nyo lang po siya paharap. Okay. Yan na po. Until such point na pag ginagalaw nyo sa side ninyo, hindi na siya natatanggal sa taas. Use a flat edge of the black stick. I-tuck in lang po yung cable na to. May cable po siya dito makikita. Takin nyo lang, itulak nyo lang siya pababa. And then, from the side, close nyo na. And there we go. So that's it mga kabayan techers. We just replaced an iPhone 7 battery. Click on subscribe and click the like button and the bell para malaman nyo kung meron tayong fresh content. This is your The Kabayan Tech. Thank you very much and have a good day.
Welcome.